So here's how I make my base pages. My hinge system is 4.5, so my pages are going to be 4.5. It's going to be 6.5 wide, and I made it 9 9/16 because I just want it just a smidgen bigger than 9.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the paper long side at the top, score at 4.5. Then I'm going to rotate it and score at 1/2 inch. That makes this just a little bit bigger than the 9/6, than the 4.5. So I'm going to miter the edges. And let's pretend that this spine is in the book. So I am going to take my paper in the middle section here. I'm going to, well, let's fold and burnish. So the middle section, I'm going to go put some glue on. It's just going to be one of those days. So I'm going to put glue on about 1/4 inch of the left-hand side. And I don't want to go right up next to the bottom of the hinge. I'm going to pull it out maybe about 1/8, between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch, and then take the hinge and push it down. I'm going to put glue on this part of the hinge, the top of the hinge, and fold over the base page. And then I'm going to add glue to here. And the reason I'm doing the flap on the outside instead of the inside like we normally do is so your pieces that go inside, maybe your hidden pockets or hidden photo mats, will not get hung up inside. This is just a clear tube. So there we go, there's the page, and then you continue to do that for the rest. And that's how I put the pages in my book for the Halloween 5x7 mini album.